Hello workout buddies! A quick physics update in this video after a 21-day ab challenge, and to be honest with you, I lost like more than 2 pounds from intense training. Overall, it's all about my ab and lower belly areas, which is the good news because that's the main goal of that program. My ab is much flatter and ab muscles are also more visible. I don't lose my hips, absolutely. This was before I started the ab series, I think June. You can obviously see the difference. Overall, I love both then and now, and I'm proud to become stronger and healthier. The first 10 days it was intense training and we did have active rest day in between. And the second round there was no active rest, but we focused more on resistance trainings. That means how persistent can you stay with me. Going through this journey with all of you, it was tough by the end of the journey. The workouts are not hard. What difficult is lifestyle and food intakes really affect on our performance. So if you feel like your body needs more rest, take more break. Fitness is about lifestyle. If you don't have any specific body goal, add it each day to your workout routine. Make it more fun to enjoy staying fit and healthy at the same time. But next we are going to talk about creatine and protein powder for weight gains. You guys have asked me so many questions about this on my Instagram. Is protein powder necessary to build muscles? The true answer is no, it isn't necessary. As long as you reach your recommended daily protein intake, you'll be fine and you will see the results. However, consuming enough protein every day can be tricky. Like if you are a busy person and you're dealing with high stress work every day, then I highly recommend you to take supplements. They will make your life easier, like 5 minutes, and then you will have like high protein shake before and after workouts. It's really convenient for your workout progress. One more thing is you know that you need to eat 60 gram protein per day. Perhaps only 20 or 30 out of 60 gram protein you consume is absorbed in your body. So it's really tricky to know if you are consuming enough protein or not. And in that case, protein powder and supplements are really helpful and convenient. Everybody knows that creatine supports the muscle cells during high intensity, short duration exercise. The truth is our body can produce creatine naturally. However, supplements will improve performance. Creatine monohydrate is by far the most effective and also the cheapest form. How much creatine should I take? 3 to 5 grams per day, about 1 teaspoon is enough. Taking more won't give you better results because you will pee out excess creatine. Everybody is different with digestive system and metabolism system. For me, consuming 3 to 5 grams creatine per day is really a lot, and it caused me stomach cramp and nausea, and that's why I only use this like half teaspoon whenever I feel like I want it, but I don't use this often. And again, if you couldn't make time to prepare yourself high protein meals, then taking creatine is really helpful in supporting your workout progress, but do consume them moderately. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section down below and I will discuss with you down there. I'm thinking about our next workout challenge. If you have any requests, also leave them in the comment section and I'm looking forward to see that. Alright, enjoy your day and I will see you in my next workout video. Bye!